Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya. We are very happy that you are here with us today.
Today's episode is a little different and a little special.
Yes, today we are not focusing on grammar rules or daily routines.
Instead, we are talking about something bigger.
Something personal, something inspiring.
Today's topic is my dream life. Everyone has dreams. Some people dream about traveling around the world.
Some people dream about living a quiet and peaceful life. And some people dream about success, freedom, and happiness.
But here is an interesting question.
Have you ever described your dream life in English?
Many English learners can talk about their daily routines.
They can say, I wake up at 7. I go to work. I eat dinner.
But when they try to talk about their dreams, they suddenly become silent.
Yes, because dreams require imagination.
And imagination requires expressive language.
So today, we will help you speak about your dream life in clear and natural English.
And do not worry, we will keep the language simple and easy to understand.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to describe your dream life with more confidence.
Let me start with a simple question. Maya, what does your dream life look like?
That is a beautiful question. Let me think for a moment. In my dream life, I wake up early in the morning, not because of an alarm clock, but because I feel peaceful and rested.
That already sounds wonderful.
I live in a small house close to nature, maybe near the mountains or near the ocean. There are trees around my house, and the air is fresh and clean.
That sounds very relaxing.
Yes, in my dream life, I am not always rushing. I have time to read books, learn new things, and enjoy simple moments.
What about your work?
In my dream life, I still work, but I do work that I truly enjoy. I help people learn English, communicate confidently, and explore the world.
That sounds meaningful and fulfilling.
And in the evening, I spend time with the people I love. We talk, laugh, and share stories together. There is no stress and no hurry.
That sounds like a peaceful and happy life.
Yes, that is my dream life.
Now let me share my dream life. In my dream life, I travel to many countries around the world. I experience new cultures, languages, and foods.
That sounds very exciting.
I work online, so I can live and work from different places. 1 month I am in Italy. Another month I am in Japan.
That is truly a global lifestyle.
Yes, but my dream life is not only about travel. It is also about balance. I have time for my family, my health, and my personal growth.
That balance is very important.
And every day I learn something new. Because learning makes life interesting and meaningful.
Listening to your dream makes me realize something.
What is that?
Dreams are different for everyone.
Exactly.
But talking about dreams helps us understand ourselves better.
And it also helps us practice deeper English conversations.
Hey listeners, now it is your turn.
Think about your dream life. Where do you live?
What kind of work do you do?
Who are the people around you?
And how do you spend your day?
Try to describe your dream life using simple English sentences.
You can practice these ideas at home, in your office, or even while you are traveling.
We have also included beautiful practice sentences in the description.
Please check the description and practice them regularly.
The more you speak about your dreams, the more confident your English will become.
And who knows, one day your dream life may become your real life.
Thank you for joining us today.
Keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep exploring English.
We will see you in the next episode of English Tour.